This is Insight Arc, and today we'll learn how to find the HCF, or highest common factor, using two simple methods, the listing factors method and the prime factorization method. First, let's quickly understand what HCF means. HCF is the biggest number that can divide two or more numbers exactly, without leaving any remainder. In simple words, it's the largest shared factor between the numbers. Method 1. Listing factors. The easiest way to start is by listing the factors of each number. Let me show you how. Let's find the HCF of 12 and 16. First, we list their factors. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Out of these, the largest and common ones are 4. So the HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. Now, sometimes listing factors is easy, but what if the numbers are big? That's where the prime factorization method becomes handy. In this method, we break down each number into its prime factors. Then we find the common prime factors. Finally, we multiply these common factors to get the HCF. Let's see this with an example. We'll use the numbers 36 and 48. The prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, 3. And the prime factors of 48 are 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Looking at these, what prime factors do they have in common? We have 2, 2 once again, and 3. They both have 2 2s and 1 3. Multiplying these common factors gives us 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. So the HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. Let's try one more example. We'll find the HCF of 24 and 60. The prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2, and 3. And the prime factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3, and 5. Common prime factors are 2 2s and 1 3. When we multiply them, we get 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. So the HCF of 24 and 60 is 12. To sum up, use the listing factors method for smaller numbers. It's quick and easy. For larger numbers, prime factorization works best and saves time. Thanks for watching Insight Arc, where math finally makes sense.